Okay, so yeah, I exported animation, had it all here, created and created list tween. Is gonna create the script right next to where you saved the plant file. And here's the file. So let's do that on IntelliJ. It's the one I used to edit Lua scripts. Open it up. So I just duplicate the bow vehicle plant script, I think. Yeah, that one. So I'm gonna speed this up so it's not super annoying, and I voice it over. So basically, yeah, I just copy paste here and create this kernel lab anim Lua. And by the way, those separated animation clips like anim1, 2, 3 are generated from the segments between markers. So just add markers whenever you want to split. So here's open, here's close, and here, you know. So yeah, it goes up to the last frame. No need really to add marker to the last frame. Define it in your animation or the first frame. So just add markers, you know, like that, which is super easy. Just go to the point in time you want them and marker, add marker. That's all you need to do really. The name doesn't really matter. You can edit it out if you want, but it's not needed. Okay, and then the animations will be exported separately and flawlessly from as much as I can tell and could test. If you find any errors, please let me know. Here we got the actual exported file. And so I'm gonna copy what's, this anim1 part section and paste it within the same place actually, within kernel lab, the new kernel lab anim file. The same for the close. I'm commenting out the advanced versions. We're not using them for now, just anim1 and anim2 for open the standard version and close the standard version of the vehicle plan. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same for that was the animation actually. I'm gonna do the same for the LUS or LUS file, which is the actual script. So what I gotta do is copy all the pieces and the include. Well, the include is already there, but all the list of pieces there. Yeah, the include right there, and the same for the script env contents, which is used to send some structures to the anim to be used there. So I'm just editing stop and go, which is where the animations are played, to not care about the advanced version. So they just play the open standard and close standard methods from the animation file. Now I'm editing the actual unit def ID for the units, the standard and advanced one, commenting out the advanced to-do list. And now I added the kill script.kill section, where you can see in purple the entries, means they're they don't exist. So I just have to pick actual parts which should be exploded or rotated and sent flying into the air. So I'm just checking back on Upspring which parts would those be. Ideally you don't want big parts, they look terrible in game. So yeah, I'm just grabbing some pieces. By default I'm using just 4 parts, but add as many as you wish. And so yeah, you can see to the right there's fx1 and fx2. Those 2 effects are assigned elsewhere in the code. As long as you're copy pasting, this is fine. So yeah, just copying the right names so it becomes white and underlined. It means IntelliJ has found that reference. I use the AMI Lua plugin and something to help with code completion, I use something else developed by, wasn't an Arcade, well, one of the cool Spring dudes, yeah, to help with code completion. So ask me if you want more details. So now I'm just adding the entries. So I'm editing the spreadsheet that I use here. It's just updating the script entry. Of course, in other games which don't use data sheets like I'm using here, you can just add it and add those entries within the actual Lua file for the unit. So let's test it in game. I'm already on cheat mode, and yeah, just given the factory, you know, it's beauty. Awesome. So as soon as I activate it, you can see the open animation being played. And if I cancel it out, it's going to take some time. That's used so that the unit don't get stuck in the animation, the close animation, and I can actually leave. And after that, it shuts down. And you can see it has flawlessly replicated our animation from within Blender. So profit! Just a small reminder of what we did. We got the loose file, the anim file, where you set the entries for the animations, like I explained, and you will also need SpringTweener. Make sure the path is correct, of course, and the VFS.include lines. And SpringTweener is also gonna use the easing, on scripts /include/easing.lua. That's all you need, really. That's all. Hope you enjoyed that. Have fun. Questions, send it my way. Bye-bye.